Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am.
Oh, what is ambition? Ambition. Do you know what is ambition? Can anybody tell me? What do you mean by ambition? Yes, Aksham.
Our goal then.
Exactly. Your goal, your aim. What do you want to become in your life is called ambition. And that goal for what you are working hard, that goal you have to decide in your childhood only. You have to work hard from now itself. If you will work hard now, then you can get your success, your goal, your ambition. So here I am going to guide you regarding like your school. Holy Cross Texas School is guiding you in various fields of life. Can anybody tell me the ambition of their life? What do you want to become in your life? Aim of your life. Who will tell me? Yes, Vanshika. What is your aim in your life?
Ma'am, I want to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor. Okay. Next, Ayush.
Ma'am, I want to become a soldier.
Soldier, army, very good. That is defense. Next, Vandana, what do you want to become?
Ma'am, I want to become doctor.
You also want to become doctor. And Vineet,
I want to go in defense.
you want to go in defense. So do you know what is the criteria? How can you go in defense?
Yes.
Tell me.
And by clearance of NDA.
By clearance of NDA. Okay. Do you know more further details about NDA? Can you tell me something regarding NDA?
Yes. And if we will clear the NDA paper, then we have to go for SSB.
If you will clear NDA exam, then you will be applicable for SSB. Okay. And what is SSB?
Interview.
Interview. Okay. So today I am here to guide you regarding defense. That is NDA. NDA means National Defense Academy. National Defense Academy is a tri-service academy where three groups, Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force, they are trained together to get better training so that they can serve for our country. So here is a video regarding NDA. First of all, I will show you that video. Okay, so this one is Indian Army, the logo of Indian Army. Second one is Indian Navy and third one is Indian Air Force. These three services gets trained together in NDA, National Defense Academy. Now there is some criteria like NDA. This exam is held twice a year. How many times this exam is held? Twice a year. Now notification comes in January and in May, and the conduction of exam is in April as well as in August. This criteria of notifications and all this is decided by UPSC, that is Union Public Service Commission. Do you know what is the motto of the logo of NDA? The motto of the logo of NDA is Seva Parmo Dharma, means service before self. You have to serve for your nation before yourself. For you, for a military man, for an army man, his country is everything for him. Next is eligibility criteria. First of all is age limit. If I tell you regarding age limit is 16.5 years to 19.5 years. Next is the candidates who are unmarried are only applicable for this post. Only for gents, but now from this year the great opportunity has been released for girls also. From 2022, girls are also applicable for NDA. Next is the candidates who are pursuing 12th or 12th pass, they can get this job and they should have non-medical stream, means physics, chemistry and mathematics. Next is physical fitness. One of the most important thing for this is physical fit person, means you are to physically fit, whether that is in your eyes, vision, that is your physical standard of height, obesity, underweight, nothing, no disease should be there. Next is for the same Air Force and Naval Wing also, 12th standard mathematics and physics is required. Army wing, 12th standard, you can opt any stream, but for Naval Academy and Air Force, you have to opt only mathematics, physics and chemistry. These were the criteria, you can say eligibility criteria for a candidate who is opting, who is going to become an Indian Army soldier, or you can say who is going to be trained in National Defence Academy. These all are the eligibility. After eligibility, next come, you can say, the criteria how to, you can go in NDA. There are two steps. For going in NDA, there are two steps. First step is, you can say, first step you have to give that written exam. Do you know of how much marks this written exam is? Can anybody tell me of how much marks this written exam is? The written exam is of 900 marks. It is further divided into two sections. First one is mathematics, the most important, and second one is general ability test, in which reasoning is there, general ability questions are there. After that, if you now there are 5 minutes for each question. There are 180 questions, and for each question there are 5 minutes. So there the exam is of 900 marks, and for 180 question you are getting 5 minutes for each question. If you clear written exam, then you can have an SSB interview. You are applicable for going in SSB interview. This SSB interview is of how many days? Yes, we need SSB interview of how many days? 5 days. SSB interview is of 5 days, in which you are visualized by the officers. Officers will check your personality, your intelligence, he will ask you intellectual questions, your general intelligence he will check. So in these 5 stages, first one is group discussion. On the first day, you have to reach on the various posts you have got. First day first one is group discussion. Means they will give you a picture. On that picture, you have to discuss and you have to write. Prescription test is there. On second day, there is group planning. Group planning means again they will provide you some tasks, and with your group members, they will make groups. Separate groups they will make, and with your group members, you have to perform the task given to you. While you are performing the task, you will be visualized by the officers. The officers, they are like visualizing you during your this test. Next is outdoor group task. Do you know what is outdoor group task? Outdoor group task means they will give you some physical task, like of running, you can say, or they will say they will give you difficult tasks in physical task they will give, and then also they will check your physical standard. Next one is fourth is your interview. On fourth day is your interview. For that, English fluency is must. For that, English is must, that we are providing, that atmosphere we are providing in your Holy Cross School. Totally we are speaking in English all the day. Why? So that your English must become fluent. Okay. Next one is on 5th day, it is conference meeting. Do you know what is conference meeting? Saksham, what is conference meeting? Conference meeting is held between the officers. Only the candidate will go inside, and many officers will be there. They can ask you any question regarding GK, general knowledge, regarding English, regarding reasoning, general ability, whatever they want, they can ask. Even they can ask about your family background also. They can ask anything, and you have to give answer only in English with confidence. Next, these forms, these are like notifications are come on this www.upsccoonline.nic.in. After that, if you clear SSB, now there is the time to tell you regarding salary structure, and if you will come to know about the salary structure, you yourself will say that yes, we will join the NDA, we will work hard for it. Like after SSB, they will call you if you clear clear written exam also, if you clear SSB also, then they will call you for the training. And during training, you will get a per allowance of rupees 56,100. That is a very expensive amount that you can get during your studies. And while training, they will teach you also like BTech. They will tell you regarding BTech also. They will ask you to do BTech there only regarding the training itself. And during training, you will get 56,100. After training, when you will get one posting wherever you have to do your job, then you will get 1 lakh up to 1,77,600. At a very less age, you can say a very young age, 20, 21, you can get a package, you can say, every month of rupees 1,77,600. After that, there are so many benefits also of getting, you can say, of getting this job at DA. After salary also, I will tell you some benefits after retirement. Like if a person gets retired from army, from NDA, he will get pension every month. He will get pension, and that pension will also be so much expensive, you can say. After pension, gratuity is also there. This in not all government jobs gratuity is there, but in National Defence Academy, NDA, if you will go in Indian Army or Naval Academy or Air Force, you will get pension or there for candidates. That insurance are like, if you will pay 7,200 per month, you can get an amount of 15 lakh only after 3 years. Some more insurance are for disabled person, like somebody get disabled during the training. So there are more insurance funds of like expensive amounts, 20 lakhs, 15 lakhs. So these are the, you can say, funds provided by government to the soldier who is serving for our nation. So these perk allowances are not only the motivating factors that you will join NDA. This is, you can say, the most important thing that you can serve your nation. And this opportunity is not, you can say, is not obtained or you cannot obtain by anybody. For this, you have to work hard. For this, you have to work hard from now only. From now only, if you will work hard, then you can get these type of jobs. Only officers are selected, like the post of this job is officer cadre. Lieutenant you will be selected, you can say after that you will become general, and also when your promotion will be, as your promotion will be going on, your salary will increase itself. So regarding the salary also, it's also very good, and regarding the job also, like everybody will say, yes, you should be called. You should be called by your name. Your parents should be called by your name. Yes, he is the father of that officer. He is the father of that lieutenant. You should be praised like that. Will you be happy if your parents will be called by your name?
Yes.
So for this, what you have to do? Hard work. Because hard work is the only key to success. If anybody is doing hard work, then nobody can stop him or her to achieve his or her goal. So for achieving your goal, you have to start from now. Thank you and have a good day.